Guys, I noticed something. So, this one does not charge the Nintendo Switch, but it does charge these aftermarket grips. So if I plug this in, you can see right there, the light, that's charging light. So I see because this one only has 2 power leads, because this one the Nintendo Switch does not detect the Joy-Cons on this. I'm surprised, but I'm still going to use the controller, but it does. That one does light up, and if I plug in here, there's no top fluid here. It is not charging. Hold on. Like I don't know why this is not charging the Switch, but it powers this up, and also charges my anker powerbank and my Corsair headset. So if I plug this in again, I don't have another USB plugged in. Come on. You can see right here, and there is power going through it. So if you look right over here, I have this plugged into my power bank, and it's powering this up. So I can in turn plug this one into my gaming headset, but I'm not sure if this actually has a resistor. But it probably won't really matter. But yeah, this one here, this USB charges the Nintendo Switch. See? This one just doesn't charge the Nintendo Switch, but I'm surprised it actually powers this up. So, hope you guys enjoyed.